Shake it up. Get ready. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Right there. Mary Beth. Next whistle starts the jam. Jamming for widows, we have Tata. Jamming for Switchblades, we have Michael James Droplet. A very quick lead for Michael Jordan Droplet. Plus the no cigar. Nice job. Getting those points and calling it off. He already knows. Tata is a broad world. She would have been hot on his tail very quickly. Switchblades 77. Black Widows 67. Jamming for Switchblades Phoenix. Jamming for the Widows Anastasia. The Widows wall holding on top to Phoenix. Anastasia is still working the back of that pack. That blue wall is tough, I must admit. Phoenix coming through like blue lightning, knocking the Widows down to the ground. Still seems to trouble the flat. Phoenix ran into a sandwich. Don't get in that kitchen. You don't want that sandwich. Phoenix out for that square pass. With a sarcasm to fancy clip of the hair. That jam is called off by Phoenix. Switchblades 85. Black Widow 67. I do believe you made me a little bit distracted me. I saw someone point to I saw someone pointing at the ground, just trying to be helpful. I got to eat an eye up here. Jamming for your Switchblades. Brandon Bryan. Jamming for your Widow Obama. If you don't already have some Tampa Roller Derby merch, we actually have 3 teams worth of merch for you. Are you a Black Widow? Are you a Switchblade? Are you a Cigar City Mafia? Brandon Bryan out for lead jammer. It's just getting that butt out. But you know, Obama, only out for that square pass. Martin Bryan hitting that Widow's wall out off the jam before Obama makes her scoring pass. Jamming for Widows, sock sniffer, crispy whiskers. Jamming for Switchblades PH Diesel. I know you're probably thinking, how does one get a Derby name? Some people have names just made for it. And some people have to go get PhDs in order to get a PH Diesel. That's right, PH Diesel is a doctor. Shout out to our sponsors at stands for Jonathan. A lot of tumbles on the track. Out of that track. Not getting my midget droplets to the ground. Now let's stop this shine. One thing about Derby, you will fall. Again, it's how you get up. Michael Jerusalem droplet, call it that. Yeah.
How we doing, Joe?
Switchblades 93, Black Widow 69. Jamie for Switchblades, Phoenix. And Jamie for Widows on Zebra. Fun fact about Phoenix. They got their name because they're an arsonist. Yeah, every time you hit the track, you're just fighting. Phoenix, the fire starter. Calling that jam off. Switchblades 97, Black Widows 69. If you can't get enough of this derby action, you have a few more games coming up. I'm just going first. We have the Widows versus the Mafia. And on September 28th, we have Mafia versus Switchblades. GMA for Switchblades, Marty McFlyin. GMA for Widows and Bama. That start has been passed to Disaster Chief. Again, it's me. Disaster Chief out of the pack and ready for some scoring. But Mama, the jam, or that is the end of the jam. Fun fact about Evil Apple is that she's actually been playing derby since she was 11 months old. She actually skated before she walked. Don't ask how that works. That's what I heard. Jamie for Switchblades, PH Diesel, Jamie for Widows, PH Diesel would lead. There's a lot of derby action, not a lot of cheering. You guys are kind of quiet. Let me hear you. Derby fans, make some noise. Yeah. Switchblades just broke that century mark. now, Switchblade is starting this next jam with one less blocker. Because again, what do we not do? Learn a lesson. Plenty of time left to stop by the merch table. Go get some Tampa Roller Derby gear. Switchblades were 107. Black Widows were 81. And this next jam, jamming for Switchblades is Money Lion. Here from the future where Derby does not exist. Trying to keep it alive. Jamming for her widows, Mama. Which is why Marty still got to get back up and go back on the track. We have a blocker in the box. Let's shame him. Shot the bomb. What did you do? Both jammers fighting those packs quickly. Jam has been balanced. Shot Bomb did make it out of the box in time. Congratulations. Sit on the bench. Yeah, I heard some cheering. Who are we here to see tonight? Creepy Ivy? You mean the Creepy Ivy that just graduated QK? Yeah, that Creepy Ivy. Jimmy for Switchblades. Polymorphic, let's go, another graduate. Jimmy for Widows. Whiskers. Headed to where? What penalty box? Polymorphic snatching that lead jammer status. Let's go. While Frisky Whiskers sits in the box and thinks about what they have done. Remember, if you have any questions about Derby, if you haven't been here before, if this is your first time and a lot of these turns are going over your head, that's okay. We have slow-mo. She's lovely. She's got a red jersey on. She'll talk Derby to you. Any questions you got, she'll answer. So beautiful, so lovely. Yeah, polymorphic. Shout out to another QK graduate hitting the track. Cameron for Switchblades. Yeah. Gonna be some lessons learned in a different way tonight. Jimmy for Switchblades. We have Michael Dish Chocolate. But with Lee, we have Katja. Jimmy for Widows. Michael Julian Chocolate. Could do that like butter, but it's not enough. As Cha-Cha calls that jam off before he can score 80 points. Box of shame, penalty box, same difference. 30 seconds. Anastasia, still fighting those switchblade blockers. Lead is still up for grabs. No one is lead yet. Evil after living up to her name, headed to the penalty box. Now you sit there and you think about what you've done. Phoenix fires her back on the track, wasting no time. AKA the penalty. Jamming for Widows and Mama. Jamming for Switchblades, PhD role. Still fighting that back. And that star has been asked. So when that person with the star takes that star off their head and passes it to the person with the stripe, that means that the person with the stripe is now the jammer. It's kind of like your get out of jail free card because jamming is hard. Switchblades. Their streak. Jamming for Widows. Risky Whiskers. Jamming for Switchblade Roller Derby. Risky Whiskers does have lead, but how good is that behind her? So that who's going to do that pack first? Let's see if he gets those points. Switchblades with 137, Black Widows 89. We have just about 2 minutes left for you to visit the merch table. Go visit them 4 days ago. See, perfect timing. There's a timeout. Go get your beer. Jamie for Switchblades, Phoenix. Jamie for Widows and Mama. And Mama out for lead. Phoenix. Phoenix coming in hot. Let me get you know that you are not getting those points easily. Womp womp. Phoenix on the race to the box. Look at what they've done. I don't understand what's happening. Oh, 2 jammer penalties. So when there is 2 jammers in the box, that first jammer gets released, and that second jammer sits for the same amount of time that the first jammer sat. So if that first jammer that was in the box only sat for 5 seconds, then that second jammer only sits for 5 seconds. Hey. Widows lock into the box to think about what they've done. Give it for Phoenix. This is hard. Look at him. Language hitting Phoenix out. Blocking that attempt at Apex jump. That's the end of your time. Switchblades 151. Black Widows 93.
Red was a backlog.
So much fire for my liking. Are you guys having fun? Are you not entertained?
The black 86 had all together.
But if you are having fun and would like to have more fun, we are after party at Bill Mars Station, 8501 West Hillsborough Avenue. Come enjoy some food and drink specials and karaoke. Jamie for Switchblades, making Virginia get through with a nice hard push. Jamie for Widows and Bonna.
I just have
Those Widows bloggers not giving Puffer Punch an inch. There is still no lead. Switchblades, 151. Black Widows hitting that victory mark, 100. I mean, you can, but it's hard. Looks like we got time for one more jam. Y'all want one more jam? Let's hear it. One more jam. One more jam. One more jam. One more jam. 12 more jams. 12 more. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm not scared. Probably worth it. Jamming for widows in Boma. Those jammers looking neck and neck. I was so gentle with you. Shot bomb. Dragging that Switchblade jammer back. Still fighting for lead status. That Switchblade spot has been passed to Zombie, and Bama snagging lead jammer for Widows. Zombie hitting some cool speed moves. They do it all, truly jamming, blocking, pivoting. Amazing. That GMP called out by Obama. We have our unofficial score. Now when that screen moves to official score, we want you to get out of your seat, head to the side of the track. Let's give our players a high five. This game if you